YouTube, what's going on? It's Tim from Jimtanna. In today's video, Janet and I head down to my uncle's dispensary. It is nearly completed. They've been working on it for the last 3 years, getting the licensing, building everything out. Let's go check it out.
Who is that?
Hey, come on in, girl.
Oh, you bet I am gonna come on in. Wow.
We're a mess right now because we're getting ready to put up the signs on the top of the building.
Wow. This is unreal.
So how do you like my work? I did this black and white checker thing. I have like the white material today, but what do you think?
I love it. The black and white.
I already did the black, but I haven't done the white.
I love it. The black and white is so subtle
I haven't
and
got the
classy.
white thing yet, but
Anna, look at you go. Getting in there.
we're taking this old shit out.
Wow. This is
So
so
look
cool.
around, go look at all the doors, go back there to the bathroom. Tim, this way.
That way? Okay.
And then intake room, go back over there, there's the offices and other things.
Got letters. Letters are going up.
This would be like the register's probably right now.
Yeah, we literally since the ranch.
I remember.
When we were eating Thanksgiving dinner.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm following you, Tim.
I'll ask when we're not allowed to show
Yeah.
and stuff. This is where like they'll fill the
Fill orders.
Yeah, so there'll be someone in
So
here
the inventory.
filling your
yep.
bags, and then
Packages.
you'll get the bag when you're the cashier.
Right here, huh?
Yeah, the cashier will come, you grab your bag, and fucking boom, do your sale.
Boom.
That's dope. Is this like a freezer? Hash?
Maybe beverages or edibles. Edible fridge.
Better be a hash fridge in this
And
bitch.
then I think one of the walls, they're gonna do the local artists and display them monthly or weekly.
Oh wow.
Isn't that cool?
Change out the art. That's
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm in the process of getting the airfix.
Why are you saying sorry, dude? You fucking juggling all the balls right now. This is unreal.
I just broke into a door that I needed a key for, but I broke in instead. But back here's my office.
Oh yeah.
This is unreal, dude.
So back here's the office. This is where I'll
Yeah.
put in all the invoices, all that jazz.
Business.
Do actual work.
Cameras stowed in on the camera. There's an office. So this is where the vendor's gonna come in. I'll take the payments, take the product. We'll go through this window and in storage. This window locks from this side.
Nice.
So then it's in storage, locked in. This guy's my cage guy, so this guy sits in here.
Yep.
And he stands here and gets his printed orders right here, and he fills them for the girl. The girl takes the payment, or the guy takes the payment. As soon as payment's made, he hands it over to the person through the window.
Bam. Thank
I have a
you.
bulletproof glass point right there.
Way different than how we used to stand in the.
And this is all steel. This whole room is steel cage inside, underneath the drywall.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So that guy just locks himself
So
in.
safe.
I have a bulletproof glass that's getting made right now that flips down and locks.
So sick.
Love it.
And then this is where your cashier.
Cashier, yeah, I have 3 POSs, but they're all about iPads, so I put them back there.
Okay.
But I have 3 drawers if you look,
Yeah.
3 printers,
Oh,
3
sick.
spots for POS action. So the bud tender's gonna do it all at first, like we did.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, because you know, you can tell.
Yeah.
They're not busy with me. So they're gonna come in, they're gonna fucking do it all from start to finish. Anna's been replacing these blocks with
Dude,
crushed
she's
velvet.
killing it.
The other square's gonna be white.
Yep. Literally looks so good.
Providing you with it here.
Nice.
I'll be the first California-based dispensary that carries this company. It's called Cannabis Motif or something like that. But it's like in Nevada. It's only in Nevada. What's your name? Alex, I'm Joey. I'm gonna be the manager here. Nice to meet you, brother. Hopefully you come here for the grand opening. We'll be here. All right, buddy.
Man, what a day. We just got back from the dispensary. It is nearly complete. You guys got a little walkthrough. We will go back for a second video when it's open and hopefully make the first legal purchase of cannabis from the dispensary. That's my goal. I really want to do that. I think it would be cool. We'll see you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and lastly, be sure you got your memberships to Secret Sesh. December 11th. It's coming up quick. Don't miss out. Later.